Hey, how's it going, guys? It's your boy Yashia Gaming. Well, if you're new to the channel, guys, I would like you to kill money and smash that little subscribe button, because whenever I drop a brand new video, it's you who's gonna get notified. Okay, so today, guys, I'm gonna do full unboxing video and a video review, alright, of this, alright, this little thing over here. Alright, it's a TP-Link Bluetooth USB adapter. Okay, it's supposedly a plug and play. Alright, so it's just scratch. There's no drivers to be installed or whatever. So all you have to do is to just grab this USB adapter, just plug it into your laptop, PC, or whatever. And this stated right here, it is a Bluetooth 5.0 speed. Okay, and it provides the fastest speed. Supposedly it provides the fastest speed. Okay, supposedly it provides fastest speed, but we're gonna test this, okay, how good the speed is. And it does say right here that it provides further coverage, and it is compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and Windows Server. Right? The model number is UB500. Okay, UB500. So you just turn the box here, right there you're gonna see a small plastic. All you have is to peel this off. Okay, just like that. Okay, so once you remove it like that, it's gonna come out like this. You don't need that, and here it is. Okay, here it is. Here they've include a quick installation guide with it. Alright, so we're gonna read that. It's really helpful. Okay, now what I have to do is to just insert it. Okay, alright, just plug it in and push. Successfully plug it in. We're on our PC. Okay, we're on our Windows here, as you can see. If you don't see Bluetooth, okay, it's like a B icon, okay, a blue B, okay, icon stated Bluetooth. Okay, if you don't see it, you are good to maybe there into your settings, alright, or you can open settings. You can go to your system. You can search here, search for Bluetooth. Okay, just search for Bluetooth and other device settings. You're gonna see the Bluetooth system settings. You're gonna click on it, so this will pop up. Alright, so and make sure here, as you can see, it says this PC is now discoverable. Okay, this PC is now discoverable. Alright, as blah blah blah, pair with new devices. Okay, and make sure that it is turned on. Alright, so as you can see, it is it says here turned on. Alright, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my phone right there, and let me just transfer a file quickly, and I'm gonna see how faster, okay, see how fast this thing process. Okay, I'm gonna try to transfer an image first, and then a video, a short video, and maybe a music. Alright, and I'm gonna see the speed and pair with new devices. Alright, so no nearby Bluetooth. Alright, here it is. So I'm gonna click pair. Okay, I click pair on desktop, blah blah blah. Alright, so now it's requesting for the pairing. Alright, so I'm gonna click add on my PC. I'm gonna click yes. I'm gonna click allow access to pair and hit yes over there. Okay, and as you can see, if you're saying this, your mobile phone number connection succeeded, so that means you have successfully did it. Okay, you've successfully connected your phone to your PC via Bluetooth. Okay, via Bluetooth. Right. So next, what we need to do is yeah, so I'm just gonna grab a file. I'm gonna do from my phone. I'm just gonna look for a file just quickly. Yeah, let's go to pictures.
Here I'm transferring a short 2 megabytes picture. Let's see how fast it process and transfer to computer. As you see, it's done. And here's the picture that I've just transferred. Here is another example, but this time I'm going to transfer a music file of 5 megabytes in size. So as you saw, for a 5 megabytes music file, it took 27 seconds to transfer. That's pretty damn good. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. You're gonna find the link to buy this product in the video description. Cheers!